What kind of communication skills make the biggest difference for your
difference
once you're in the work?
What does communication mean to you?
To be a good communicator, you need to be a really good listener. If you're not a good listener, it's really difficult also to comprehend what is being asked of you.
It's important to listen to the words as well as the person's intent to communicate how they feel about something.
From the people I've talked to the industry, the kind of communication skills that they find most important is to be able to take a complex information and communicate it to people who are not really knowledgeable in the area.
In the written sense, it's for us to be able to communicate our ideas across, not to change the meaning of what we're trying to communicate and not limit that idea sharing based on the format.
It's up to students in many ways to take the opportunities that are available to them to develop their skills.
This may actually involve you putting yourself out in very uncomfortable situations, but it's actually through the process of working through that discomfort that you can really sort of develop and enhance your skills in communication.
Try to set aside the mindset of worrying, making mistakes, because communication itself is an ongoing learning process.
All you need to sort of do is to keep putting yourself out there and to keep challenging yourself, because it's something that you need for the rest of your life. I think that's my rambling done. I think that's all.